Okay, so now we're going to be making apple turnovers. So the ingredients are an English muffin,
Apple pie filling, but you can use any type of pie filling. We just chose apple because we like apples.
and then the last ingredient is butter. So first step of making it is that you stick the fork into it and you separate it because it's a little tough in the middle. And go all the way around. And then choose either side, and then you start scooping out with either your fork or your spoon.
So, to actually put your apple turnover together, the first thing you want to do is take one of the sides that you scooped out and butter the outside. And then you put it down with the side you buttered onto it in the middle of a piece of tin foil. Then you put the apple filling in on top of that piece of bread. It's okay if it overflows a little bit because you're going to put the other bread on top of it and wrap it in foil, so it won't really matter. There. Then you will take the other half of the bread that you scooped out and butter the outside, not the inside. Then you will cover the apples and wrap it in foil. Ta-da! To cook your apple turnovers, just place them on the coals for 3 to 5 minutes per side. So after around 5 minutes, I will turn them over to let the other side cook. So it's been around 3 to 5 minutes. So now I'm going to turn over our apple turnovers so the other side can cook. Now, after cooking it for 3 minutes on the other side, we took it off the coals and let it cool a little bit, or a lot of it, so we could touch it with our bare hands without burning ourselves. Now we will open them.
It smells so good, I really just want to eat it.
It even looks
Whoa,
good. It looks really good. Looks nice and ready.
Okay, so now I'm gonna flip it onto my plate.
So I cut up a piece of my apple turnover, and now I'm gonna try it. It's good. It's tasty.
Okay, so another one of our dessert dishes is the banana boat. So first you cut down the middle of the banana, like that. Oh, and while you're cutting it, make sure you hold the stem of the banana so that you don't go through and accidentally cut your hand. So after that, you can have a friend help you if you want. That's what I'm gonna do. So you or your friend can hold the banana open like this so you can get your items in it. And then you take whatever ingredients you want, which we're using chocolate chips and marshmallows because it tastes good. So take a handful. Like this. And then you set it on the coals. Okay, so now we are about to try our banana boat. So,
Yummy!
ooh la la. It's a little hot.
I think it's really hot. No!
I want to blow it out a
It
little bit.
fell.
It's a little hot, but this is really good. Okay, so our next dish is one of our breakfast dishes. And so it's eggs and a muffin mix in 2 orange halves. So first you cut it in half. And then you start taking out the orange inside. Okay, so now I'm going to be making the muffin mix, but first, I just want to point out that since you're making it in an orange, then for breakfast you can have oranges on the side, so that you don't have to waste it. So you can have oranges as well. And then, okay, so back to the muffin. So I chose this muffin mix because it's just add water. So that means you don't have to bring any like appliances or anything. You just have to have this, water, and a cup, and that's it. So I'm gonna make it right now. Okay. So you pour it into a container, and then just add water. And you mix it around. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the muffin mix into the orange, halfway full. So, and I'm only putting it halfway so that it has room to expand. So like that full. I'm gonna do 2. Okay, and then now we are going to do the egg in the other half. Crack it on the side. And I'm going to do mine scrambled, and she's going to do hers.
Sunny side up or over easy?
Okay, so it should look like that. And now we are going to carefully put the muffin mix and the eggs in tin foil. gonna do that now. Okay, so you put this in the center, and 2 people to do this so that it doesn't spill. I mean, if it does, it doesn't really matter because it's just in tin foil. Carefully wrap it up like this. Well, you could leave a little room in there. So now we're gonna put the muffins and the eggs onto the hot coals carefully. It's hot. And now we're gonna let it sit
For 10 to 15 minutes while it cooks.
Okay, so after 15 minutes, we are ready to try our delicious breakfast. So, first we're gonna eat the egg. Oops. I have a scrambled one. She has the...
I have a sunny side up.
Okay,
Oh,
so... And then... It's okay if your muffin looks like that, it's fine. It'll still taste amazing.
What I should have done for this muffin is that I should have put more tin foil, should have folded tin foil higher up so it had room to come out and fill up, but I didn't, so it kind of looks deformed. Yes.
Okay, so now we're ready to try our delicious breakfast. So, just gonna try the egg. Whoa. It's like
good.
so good. Okay, so now we're gonna try the muffin. This looks really good as well.
It tastes really good too.
It's a little hot.
It's very good.